Hello everyone, I am Neha Kazi from Leelavati Lalji Dayal High School and College of Commerce. In our lesson today, we are going to talk about view counter view. So let us begin. So view counter view is like a debate, okay? As every coin has two sides, many social, economical, educational and political issues have views and counter views. Okay, so while writing such forms, one writes either in favor of the topic or against the topic. All right. So in short, counter view means an opposite or opposing view. So whatever, like let's say in the exam, they give you a view and tell you to write a counter view. So in the counter view, you will write exactly opposite of the view that is given to you. All right. So let us see the do's and don'ts of view counter view. So you have to comprehend the topic well, which means you have to understand the topic well. A lot of students make mistakes while understanding view counter view. They don't understand the question properly and they write just something else. They write either in favor, it's already in favor in the question, and they'll write the same thing. Okay, so you have to understand the question, students. This is very important. For the 10th standard students, this view counter view comes in option along with a speech. Okay, so if you are not sure or if you're not understanding the topic of view counter view, so you can attempt the speech option also. That's much easier. All right. Now, even though view counter view is smaller in terms of size compared to your speech, but understand, students, if you're not clear with the topic, then it is better you take up the speech writing option. All right. But let us see, let us understand the topic so that it will be easier for you all during examination also. So you understand the topic very well. You include all the relevant points that are there. Use easy language, okay, and correct sentences, because students, you do get marks on your grammar. All right, the way you have framed your sentence. So that is why this is very important. Write it in the form of a paragraph. In exam, you get pointers. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to write in the form of a paragraph. So view is given in the form of pointers, in the form of a pointer. You will not write counter view in the form of pointers. Okay. You will write it in a paragraph only. All right. This is very important. Otherwise, you lose out on your marks. Then present the points in a logical order. Okay, so it shouldn't go just haywire. It should be in a proper logical order. Okay. Now, what is it that we do not have to do? So don't jumble up the points or issues. Okay. Don't get confused between the view, counter view that's been given to you. All right. Then present a point. Do not present a point which goes against your stand. Okay, because see, students, what happens is, let's say if I do not believe in something, all right, and I have to write in favor of it. So what happens is, basically I will not be able to articulate my thoughts. Okay, and I will not get pointers also. So that is why do not present a point which you do not believe in. Okay, because it will become very difficult for you also to manipulate yourself and the points which are given. Do not repeat words or points. Now what students do is, generally if they don't understand something, they'll repeat the same point again and again. But here you lose out on your marks. So don't repeat the points again and again. Once you have written, you are done. Write something else about it. Okay, not the same point. Then do not offend any person. Nobody should feel offended while reading your view or counter view. Okay. So do not write anything offensive. Then don't put forward any political, racial or offensive statement. This is also pretty much important. All right. So we have to make sure that whatever we are writing is proper. Okay. Let us see the format, how to develop a counter view. So you will be given a few points on a particular topic. So you have to read the points carefully. You have to write the counter view of the points which are given to you, which means point contradicting the ones given to you. It's like a debate. So I say something, you say against what I am saying. All right. That will be a counter view for me, right? Then the next point we have is you must write it in the form of a paragraph for about 120 words. All right, this is important. I told you previously also, do not use point format, use a paragraph format only. And of course, like I've said, for all your writing skills, you have to give a title to your paragraph. Okay? Title carries marks, students, so you have to write a title. Okay, so that's all about our view counter view, and I hope you all have understood it. Thank you so much, students. Just remember the format, just remember these points, and you will be good to go with any topic that's been given to you in the exam. Thank you so much for listening to me and for watching this video.